Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you ever dream of a home that feels calm, cozy, and close to nature? A space filled with warmth, simplicity, and timeless beauty? Today, I am going to show you amazing countryside home decor tips that will completely transform your space into a peaceful, rural-inspired retreat. So let's begin. Use earthy textures everywhere. Try mixing rough textures like linen, jute, wool, and raw wood. These textures make your home feel natural and grounded. Add a rustic focal point. Create one eye-catching corner like a wooden shelf, vintage cabinet, or cozy reading nook to give your room character. Use warm lighting only. Avoid harsh white lights. Instead of, choose warm yellow bulbs, lanterns, or soft bedside lamps for a cozy countryside glow. Display handmade crafts. Show items like crochet pieces, pottery, oven mats, or handmade wall hangings for an authentic countryside touch. Bring seasonal flowers. Decorate with fresh flowers depending on the season. Wildflowers, sunflowers, or simple garden blooms work perfectly. Don't aim for perfection. Slight imperfections like aged wood, uneven textures, or handmade items actually make the style more beautiful. Use neutral base walls. Keep your walls in soft shades like white, cream, or light beige. This creates a calm countryside backdrop for your decor. Highlight natural wood tones. Don't paint over wall wood. Let natural wood colors show in doors, tables, shelves, or ceiling beams. Add farmhouse style kitchen storage. Use glass jars, ceramic containers, and open shelves to display grains, spices, or everyday items in a beautiful way. Decorate with simple wall art. Choose nature paintings, floral prints, or rustic wooden frames instead of modern abstract designs. Create cozy corners everywhere. A small chair near the window, a reading nook, or a soft bench with cushions can add countryside charm to any room. Use light and flowy fabrics. Cotton, linen, and lace curtains give a soft, airy countryside feel when they move with the wind. Avoid heavy modern furniture. Skip bulky, glossy, or overly modern pieces. Go for simple, handcrafted, or slightly aged furniture instead. Mix indoor and outdoor style. Use garden-inspired decor inside your home. like clay pots, hanging plants, or wooden planters. Keep a calm visual balance. Make sure your room doesn't feel crowded. Space out furniture and decor for a peaceful flow. Use open wooden shelving instead of closed cabinets. Try open shelves in your kitchen or living room. Display simple dishes, jars, and rustic decor items. Style with everyday items. In countryside decor, even daily use items can be decorative, like clay pots, glass bottles, wooden bowls, or oven trays. Add a touch of nostalgia. Use old style radios or antique wall clocks to bring a nostalgic countryside feeling. Keep table decor simple. A wooden table with a small vase of flowers or a linen runner is enough. Avoid heavy or flashy centerpieces. Highlight natural imperfections. Scratches on wood, uneven textures, and handmade finishes add charm instead of being hidden. Use candles for cozy nights. Simple candles in glass jars or metal holders create a peaceful countryside evening mood. Mix soft fabrics with wood. Balance hard wooden furniture with soft cushions, straws, and fabric rugs to create warmth. Keep wall colors soft and matte. Avoid glossy paints. Matte finishes in cream, off-white, or pastel shades look more natural and rustic. Layer your decor naturally. Don't place everything flat or in one line. Layer items like books, candles, and small plants to create a relaxed countryside look. Keep colors connected. Use two or three main colors throughout your home so everything feels calm, unified, and naturally balanced. Create evening warmth. Use warm lamps, low lighting, and candles in the evening to make your home feel like a peaceful countryside cottage. Choose low height furniture. Lower furniture like small chairs, low tables, and cozy seating helps create a relaxed rural atmosphere. Use herbs as decor. Grow basil, mint, or rosemary in small pots. They look beautiful and also bring a fresh countryside smell. Keep window views simple. Avoid heavy decorations on windows. Let the outside view and natural light be part of your decor. Add soft handmade layers everywhere. Crochet blankets, hand-knitted cushions, and simple table covers bring warmth and personality. Designed for comfort, not display. Every corner should feel usable and cozy, not just for show. Countryside style is about real living. Use imperfect handmade decor. Choose items that look handmade or slightly uneven. This adds real countryside charm and a human touch. Keep furniture finishes matte or natural. Avoid shiny polish. Go for raw wood, matte paint, or distressed finishes for a softer rural feel. Create visible storage beauty. Instead of hiding everything, use pretty baskets, jars, and crates that act as both storage and decor. Add soft floral accents only in small amounts. Use light floral touches like cushions or a single curtain so it feels natural, not overwhelming. Mix old and new items. Combine vintage pieces with simple modern items. For example, an old wooden table with soft modern cushions creates a balanced countryside feel. Keep decorations minimal. Avoid overcrowding your space. Countryside decor is peaceful and open, not cluttered or heavy. Keep furniture simple and rustic. Go for wooden, handmade, or slightly aged furniture instead of glossy modern designs. Add natural and floral touches. Fresh flowers, leafy plants, and simple floral patterns make your home feel alive and fresh. If you enjoyed these countryside home decor ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which tip you love the most. And if you want more cozy home decor ideas, farmhouse inspiration, or cottage style designs, make sure to stay connected. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next video.